If your Etsy account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review Etsy's policies. Understand the specific policies that may have led to your account restriction. Familiarize yourself with Etsy's terms of service and community guidelines to identify any potential violations. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Collect all necessary information related to your account, including your shop name, email address associated with your account, and any communication from Etsy regarding the restriction. This will help you present a clear case. Step 3. Contact Etsy support. Visit the Etsy Help Center and locate the contact options. Use the available forms or chat options to reach out to Etsy support. Clearly explain your situation, providing the gathered information and any relevant details. Step 4. Be polite and professional. When communicating with Etsy support, maintain a polite and professional tone. Clearly state your case, express your desire to resolve the issue, and ask for clarification on the restriction if needed. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up on your appeal. Be patient, as it may take time for Etsy to review your case, but a gentle reminder can help keep your appeal on their radar. In conclusion, appealing an account restriction on Etsy requires understanding the policies, gathering information, and communicating effectively with support. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of a successful appeal.